Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can sell your own creations in Roblox. So let's say you made a t-shirt with a cool logo on it. Now I'm going to show you how to actually sell it on the marketplace. Now it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to the Roblox website on your browser. And from here we want to go to create in the top left corner. Now here we go to the creations. And from out there we go to the avatar items. Now here you have four options. We're going to the classics. Now let's say you've just made a classic t-shirt. You uploaded an asset with a photo, with a name and a t-shirt, and you uploaded it. And then the t-shirt is right here. Now I've just created this. And as you can see here, we have our t-shirt. Now here's a little lever. We can pull this to put this on sale. Now let's say we set a price of 20 Robux. Now, we actually get 70% of this Robux because there's a fee for Robux itself. So you only get 14 Robux when selling this item. Now from there we can publish it, and as you can see we don't have enough funds to sell this t-shirt because you need 10 Robux to actually publish a t-shirt on the marketplace for people to buy it. Now it's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.